Hi, I'm Dr. Antonia Johnson. For this speech tip, we will focus on the sound spelled Q-U. We will use a word from Carlos on Facebook. Carlos says, "Dear Antonia, please do a video on the word quote. Focus on the Q-U sound. You say this word." Some people say goat or guoat. The sound spelled Q-U is difficult. Here is an important tip. In English, you will always see the letter Q with the letter U. To say the sound spelled Q-U, you say a K, then a W. Let's practice the K sound first. The easy way to say a K sound is to push the back of your tongue up to the roof or top of your mouth quickly, then bring it down quickly. There is no voice or sound from your throat. K, k. You do it. K, k. Next, let's do the W sound. The easy way to make this sound is to make your lips into a kiss. You make a voice or sound from your throat and use slow muscles like this. Woo. You do it. Woo. Now, let's put the K and W together to make the sound spelled Q-U. Coo. You do it. Coo. You do it. Coo. Next, let's do the sound spelled Q-U with the rest of the word. This is a silent E rule word, so the O vowel is a long vowel. Quote. You do it. Quote. You do it. Quote. That sound spelled Q-U is so difficult. Be sure to do it carefully. Let's do the word one more time carefully. Quote. You do it. Quote. I love the quote from St. Jerome. Be patient with everyone, and especially yourself. Thank you for watching this speech tip video. Like us on Facebook for more videos, or subscribe to us here on YouTube. For more information on accent reduction, visit our website at cleartalkmastery.com.